Moving on, in a display of growing discontent, scores of women who are the backbone of many Pakistani households recently took to the streets of Karachi to protest against soaring inflation and unfair taxes. This demonstration highlights the deepening economic crisis that has crippled the lives of ordinary citizens in Pakistan. Let's take a closer look at this story.
Hundreds of women, primarily affiliated with the Jamaat-e-Islami party, recently staged a protest in Pakistan's bustling city of Karachi. The rally was a desperate cry against the skyrocketing inflation and the imposition of unfair taxes that have left countless families struggling to survive. These women, many of whom bear the responsibility of managing household finances, share harrowing accounts of their daily struggles. They painted a grim picture of an economy that has pushed people to the brink, with some even claiming that the government's policies are forcing them into destitution.
मैं सिर्फ इनसे ये डिमांड करना चाहती हूँ, मेरी सिर्फ गवर्नमेंट से यही अपील है, अगर ये बिल नहीं कम कर सकते तो हमारे बाप भाइयों बेटों सबकी तनख्वाहों में इजाफा करें, उनको ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा एम्प्लॉयमेंट प्रोवाइड करें, क्योंकि अगर एक इंसान 30,000 रुपये की उसकी तनख्वाह ये दे रहे हैं और 25,000 रुपये का ये बिल देंगे तो वो कहाँ से भरेगा? वो तो फिर खुदकुशी करने के दर पे आएगा ना, क्योंकि उसके घर में 3 बच्चे हैं जो भूख से मर रहे हैं, गैस नहीं है खाना बनाने के लिए, बिजली नहीं है, लेकिन ये बिलों में कोई कमी नहीं आ रही है, तो एक इंसान कहाँ से पूरा करेगा? ये हमारी आवाम की जान ले रहे हैं, कभी महंगाई से तो लोग खुदकुशियाँ कर रहे हैं तंग आके, मजबूर होके। ये जालिम है, इनको कोई हक ही नहीं है कि ये हुक्मरानी करें। ये लुटेरे हैं, इन्होंने हमारे मुल्क को लूट लिया, पूरा बेच दिया।
Pakistan is currently grappling with record high inflation that has deeply affected essential commodities and services, eroding the purchasing power of ordinary citizens. This has left many struggling to meet even their most basic needs. The government's imposition of increased taxes on energy bills and essential goods has only worsened the situation. In a single year, power prices were raised by 26% and a further 20% increase was imposed in mid-July. These measures have sparked outrage among the public, particularly among those who already find it difficult to make ends meet.
मुतालबा सिर्फ उनसे ये डिमांड सिर्फ उनसे ये है कि इन बिलों को कम किया जाए, महंगाई को कम किया जाए और जो बेवजह के टैक्सेस लगकर बिलों में आते हैं उन्हें कम किया जाए.
The situation has been exacerbated by Pakistan's recent $7 billion loan deal with the International Monetary Fund, which includes tough conditions such as higher taxes on electricity prices. This has caused widespread concern among the poor and middle-class populations, who fear further inflation and additional financial burdens. As families are forced to cut back on meals and stretch their budgets to the breaking point, the human cost of this economic turmoil is becoming painfully evident. The lack of government action and accountability is pushing Pakistan's middle class to the brink, with no clear relief in sight. The voices of these protesting women serve as a stark reminder of the growing desperation and frustration among the Pakistani public, who are demanding urgent solutions to an escalating crisis.